Want to know how to manage your messaging access or Google Chat access? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So managing your Google Chat access is really important if you don't want anyone to message you or if you want a messaging privacy and security. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get right into it. So now on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here. It should be right beside help. Just simple like that. And now you should be seeing chat settings popping up, and all the way on the bottom you should be seeing access restrictions right here below accessibility. Just simple like that. And now you can just simply change these settings right here, so you can see who can message you, just simply like anyone or no senders only according to your choice, and also who can invite you to a space. This changes everything, as not anyone can message you and not anyone can also invite you to a space. So you can also manage blocked users by selecting this, and then block conversations right here as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.